Okay, good morning, students. Today I am going to show you that third set of sample paper of second pre-board. So there are the 10 chapter. So out of 10 chapter, so already everything are given. So first of all, I've discussed about the unit 1 planning in sports. Look at that. I have just marked cross marks it there. So those are cross marks question. No need to study because these are for out of syllabus. Others you can study, and if you having any problem, so you can discuss with me. First one, second one is sports nutritions. That what do you mean by the color compounds? No need to study. What are the effect of good nutritions in on individual? No need to study. Okay. Then next one is that next questions about the yoga everything you have to go just go through except the back pain, and then CW essence, that advantages of physical activity don't need to study. This is the out of syllabus. Others you can study whatever is there. And children's and women in sports, eating disorder, and women trade. No need to study this one. Just you have to study about the discuss and concept of women participations. That will study, and final curvatures, and that motor skill of children's, that will study here. Next one is that uh, test and measurement no, everything you have to study, just except elucidate the three items test battery for general motor fitness, that will not study. Barrow test and zigzag, that will not study. After that, this is the physiological injuries and sports. That question number 9 discuss the effect of aging. Aging chapter no need to study. Without aging chapter, that except the aging chapter, other you can study. And after that, biomechanics, you know everything. It's easy chapter. So you study about that 11 part, class 11, that first one that you have to study there, that what is biomechanics, importance of biomechanics, that will go to study there. And after that, no need to study about the frictions, this part. And psychology sports everything except the strategy of enhancing that adherence, that part no need to study. Training and sports everything except circuit training, that you're out of syllabus. But if you study this circuit training, that you will get the knowledge, and I think better for your future exam. So this is for your syllabus for not to syllabus, sample paper for third second pre-board. So go through this sample paper. I'm just going to sending, already I'm sending your group, so that paper you go through. And if you having any queries and this paper, you can just tell me, tell me. Okay, thank you very much. हो गया, बंद हो गया ना, स्टॉप हो गया, हाँ, पॉज.